Every vehicle will have a slightly different check engine light, but they essentially all mean the same thing. On some vehicles, you'll see a little symbol of an engine. Other ones, you'll see an engine with a power sign struck through it. And on other ones, it'll be service engine soon. As soon as that light illuminates, it means that the vehicle has detected something wrong with one of its sensors or its systems. It's important that you get that checked right away. Now, here's a little tip. If that light starts flashing while you are driving, stop driving. It means the engine is misfiring. Also, pay attention to the types of symptoms that are happening when that light turns on. If there's any risk or any symptomatic issues with the vehicle, it's always better to err on the side of caution and pull over and have your vehicle towed to the shop.